Have you ever had a washing machine that fills with water, but the drum or agitator won't move correctly? Maybe the washer starts, stops, spins the wrong way, or gives you an error. One possible cause is a small but very important component called the motor position sensor. What is a washing machine motor position sensor? A washing machine motor position sensor is an electronic sensor that monitors the position and movement of the washer's motor. It is commonly found on washing machines that use electronically controlled motors, including many modern direct drive and inverter-style systems. The sensor works together with the washer's main control board to tell the control system what position the motor is in and how fast it is rotating. Depending on the washer design, this sensor may be called a rotor position sensor, motor position sensor, Hall sensor, or Hall effect sensor. Although it is a small component, it plays an important role in controlling the motor. What does the motor position sensor do? The motor position sensor continuously provides information about the motor's position and rotation. Think of it like the washer's motor speed and position reporter. As the motor rotates, the sensor detects changes in the magnetic field or motor position and sends electrical signals back to the control board. The control board uses this information to determine things such as which direction the motor is turning, how fast the motor is turning, where the motor is positioned, when to increase or decrease motor speed, when to change direction. This allows the washer to control the motor accurately during different parts of the wash cycle. What is its main function? The main function of the motor position sensor is to provide the control board with accurate information about the motor's position and rotation. For example, during the wash cycle, the washer may need the motor to rotate slowly in one direction and then reverse. During the spin cycle, the motor may need to accelerate to a much higher speed. The control board needs feedback from the motor position sensor to know whether the motor is actually doing what it is being commanded to do. Without that feedback, the control board may not be able to properly control the motor. What happens when the sensor stops working? When the motor position sensor fails, the washing machine may have difficulty controlling the motor. The exact symptoms can vary depending on the washer model, but some common signs include the washer won't agitate. The washer may fill with water and begin the cycle, but the agitator or wash basket doesn't move. The control board may be sending power to the motor, but it isn't receiving the correct position feedback. The washer won't spin. A bad motor position sensor can also prevent the washer from entering or completing the spin cycle. You may find that the washer drains the water but never reaches the proper spin speed. The motor starts and stops. Another common symptom is a motor that starts moving and then suddenly stops. The control board may detect that the motor position or speed feedback isn't correct and shut the motor down. The washer spins erratically. In some cases, the motor may run inconsistently. It might rotate, stop, reverse unexpectedly, or have difficulty maintaining the correct speed. An error code appears. Some washing machines monitor the motor position sensor electronically. If the control board detects a missing or incorrect signal, it may display a motor, rotor, Hall sensor, or position sensor related error code. The exact code depends on the manufacturer and model. Always check the washer's technical sheet or service documentation before diagnosing the sensor. The washer makes strange motor movements. You may notice the motor attempting to move but not rotating normally. For example, it may jerk back and forth, hum, or make short movements without completing the expected rotation. This can indicate a problem with the motor system, including the position sensor, wiring, motor, or control board. How do you know if the sensor is actually bad? It's important not to automatically replace the motor position sensor just because the washer isn't spinning. Other problems can produce very similar symptoms. Before replacing the sensor, a technician should inspect the sensor wiring, electrical connectors, loose or damaged terminals, the motor, the rotor, if equipped, the control board, mechanical problems that could prevent the basket from turning. On some models, the sensor can also be tested with a multimeter or other diagnostic equipment. However, the correct test procedure and expected readings depend on the specific washer model. Where is the motor position sensor located? The location depends on the design of the washing machine. On many direct drive systems, the motor position sensor is mounted around or near the motor stator and rotor assembly. On other machines, the sensor may be integrated into the motor assembly. To locate it, you normally need to access the motor area of the washer. Always unplug the washing machine from electrical power before inspecting or servicing components. A washing machine motor position sensor is an electronic component that monitors the position and rotation of the motor. Its main job is to send information back to the control board so the washer can properly control motor speed, direction, and movement. When the sensor fails, the washer may have problems agitating, spinning, changing motor direction, or maintaining proper motor speed. You may also see an error code or notice the motor starting and stopping unexpectedly. But remember, these symptoms can also be caused by wiring problems, a faulty motor, a control board problem, or a mechanical issue. So proper testing is important before replacing any parts. If this video helped you understand what a washing machine motor position sensor does, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.